So you have just imported an image and it's driving you nuts, the tumbling in space. So you're supposed to be able to rotate around the object, but it just goes crazy. So here is the solution. So when we try to rotate, it seems like it's rotating around something here. The reason is that this sketch here have some kind of trash inside it. And it comes from, let's edit the sketch. And when we go into the sketch, we double click the image. It comes from this scale tool here that seems to be leaving something on the side of the image. So there is several solutions to this. My solution here is actually to delete this image. So I pick the image and say goodbye. So no more image there. And we could close this sketch. So what I will do here is I will make a new one. So I go for front plane in this case, ask for a sketch, and the only thing I will insert here is the image. So I go for tools, sketch tools, and we find sketch picture. And now we will re-import the side view and match it up. But we will be carefully turning off this scale tool, and then it will be nicely rotating in the future. So I have got the image, and now we could see the scale tool here. So this is a possibility here to scale the image to a certain size, which is actually a very nice feature. But I'm not using this in this tutorial, so be sure to turn it off. Turn off enable scale tool, and there you have the solution. Now we could do as before, scale it down, zoom in and match it up. And now we will have this on a brand new sketch without any trash in the space somewhere. Okay, so I'm just trying to get this a little bit closer. Okay, I think it's good enough. So we accept this and go out from the sketch. And if it's still rotating funny, go for the sketch where there is still some trash inside it and made it invisible. Yeah, now it works. Think about the possibility to change the image appearance. So if I go for edit sketch for this brand new one here, you go for full image and have a little bit of transparency, so it's easy to see what's going on behind the image. Okay, everything is rotating as normal. Super.